Alright, replacing the trunk latch on an '07 Crown Victoria. You're going to need an 8mm socket. And we did a little outline on the trunk before we started so we can line the new piece up. So we're going to loosen up these 3 bolts. And that should come right off.
Okay, that one's loose. Or I can use this. So that one? Or do you want to take those out?
Whichever you think. I'd probably loosen up the top one. And then you do them all. Come back to you. Yep. Yeah, keep going on that one.
Okay. So they're all loosened. And I can see it's a little out.
Yep.
So now we loosen them by hand and then grab it.
Yep, that should come right off. It's still connected to the thing.
Oh, should we?
But that's okay. We'll do it when it comes off. Other way.
Yes. Finally.
Other way. You might need to work a socket. I'll do it some more. I don't know.
Yes, if it doesn't make that sound, it means that it's not. And just let it hang.
Give me the bolt. And then we just got to take off the
Plug.
connector plug. So there should be a way, like something you push down right there and pull it out, or something similar to that. So I don't think it'll just pull out on its own.
Feel or see anything that should be pulled down.
Or maybe you got to lift this up or something to get it to come out. I don't know. You have to mess around with it. So it's the gray thing that's got to come out, right? You might have to get a flathead screwdriver or something and pull that part up so you can pull it out. Or that thing, that wrench thing. You might be able to use that.
Pull that up?
Yeah, and see if it'll come out after you pull it up. I'll pull it up and then see if it'll slide off.
Well, it's sliding.
Well, good, that's what you want. And then see if you can pull it out by the thing.
Jeez.
So it's all.
Okay.
So the other one should slide right back on there.
Okay.
Alright, so something happened somewhere where it just stopped working, so now I'll get the new one and try to put it back on.
Yeah. So, looks like this.
Yeah, but I would start with the top one, putting it back. You think you good?
Yeah, it's in there.
You want to tighten that one before you put the other ones? Or what?
Sure.
So you need to go the other way. And then you just want to make sure it's as pretty lined up as the old one was on. Best you can tell. So you might want to get the other ones in there a little bit to make sure it's not moving too much on you.
Need to push it.
Oh, hang on, that's the wrong one.
Oh, it is. I think I did. That's good. Switch that. This. A pain. Putting these back on. Okay, that should be. It's not that tight.
I'm going to put that one in too.
Now, would it be better if we were in the trunk?
Whatever you think.
We're so it doesn't really matter.
As long as it's pretty lined up, you should be good.
Okay.
Now you should be able to go back and forth.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Which is not as much a thing. Okay.
This is the part I wasn't really watching the guy. Probably should have. So that little thing has got to go in there somehow. There. Maybe.
Maybe.
I'll just hook this thing back up.
Hmm?
That should slide in there.
Assumingly.
Well, I guess we just try to make sure you got the keys.
I don't have the keys.
sticking there.
I'll go get her.
Yeah, I'm not real sure about that part there. The key lock. That doesn't feel correct. Alright, you want to try it? Let's see if it'll work, because it won't. It hasn't been closing.
Line it up.
Well, it closed. Yeah. I may not have done the key lock correctly, so if it doesn't feel right.
It goes up. I'm glad I lined it up.
Nice. Alright, now you get all your stuff together, back together, before the mosquitoes carry us away.
Yep.
And we should be done. That is one trunk latch replacement. Took about 20 minutes. That ain't bad, man.
Oh yeah, the car.
That's 8mm socket wrench. Boom.
And if you don't, so you don't have to do what I did and destroy your arm. Try and go one way or the other all the way.
Yeah, that helps. There you go. Nice job, man. How old are you?
11.
Nice.